Miko's AI content system promises unlimited, professional quality AI videos that look indistinguishable from real content and convert to real revenue. I read the manifesto, the curriculum, and the guarantee, so you know exactly what you'd be buying before you buy it. The pitch starts with a real pain point. Traditional UGC video costs anywhere from $100 to $500 a piece, takes 7 to 10 days to come back from a creator, and most brands can only afford to test 3 to 5 variations before the budget runs out. The promise here is bold: unlimited, professional quality AI video at a fraction of the cost, built to convert exactly like real content would. The curriculum splits into 2 tracks. Production skills cover character consistency with what it calls Nano Banana Pro, Sora 2 and VO3, Kling and LTX2, voice cloning, and quality enhancement to avoid what it calls the 7 AI tells. Business skills cover launching AI influencers, monetization, and scaling systems. You're pointed down one of 2 paths: AI influencers, building a faceless persona from scratch and owning 100% of the IP, or brand velocity, for people who already have a business and want to remove their creative bottleneck. The core stat the whole pitch hangs on: 50 times production speed. Instead of testing 3 to 5 creative angles a month, the claim is you can test 50 a week. Here's the math it's built around. Traditional UGC: $100 to $500 a video, a week's wait, and an average campaign cost north of $2,500. The AI system claims $1 to $10 a video, a 10-minute turnaround, and an average campaign cost of about $15. It also makes a case against just renting an AI ad maker subscription instead. Those tools hand everyone the same templates and charge $299 a month or more to be a middleman between you and models you could use directly. The pitch here is teaching you the actual workflow, not renting you a template. What's genuinely good here: a real named creator writing in first person, not an anonymous storefront; a concrete curriculum covering the current generation of tools, Sora 2, VO3, Kling, and open source alternatives; and a stated 30-day, no questions asked refund guarantee. What gives me pause? The sales page leans hard on urgency: a closing window, a price that's about to increase, a countdown built into the pitch itself. The sticky order bar even claims 85% off the same $997 price the checkout card marks down to $247, which is actually about 75% off, so the page's own math doesn't agree with itself. I also could not find a single independent review of this course anywhere, and it's already being redistributed on multiple course piracy sites. $247, one time, marked down from a stated $997. That includes the full course, workflow templates for Sora, VO, and Kling, a prompt library, lifetime updates, and community access, backed by that 30-day guarantee. I searched Reddit, Trustpilot, Capterra, and Product Hunt directly. None of them turned up a genuine review of this course. What did turn up were several course piracy and group buy sites already reselling it without permission, which is its own signal, just not the kind you can verify. Skip this if you want a plug-and-play tool that generates and publishes content for you automatically. This is a training program. You're still the one running the workflow on tools you'll need accounts for separately. My verdict? This is a more credible pitch than most in this space: a real name behind it, a real refund policy, and a curriculum that matches actual 2026 tools. But the urgency tactics are loud, the numbers are the seller's own, and there's no independent track record to check them against. Read the guarantee terms before you buy, and hold it to its own 30-day promise if it doesn't deliver. If you're interested in making money online with AI, make sure that you check out the link in my description.